Hello, everyone. Today, in this session, we are going to explore an impactful infrastructure project that has significantly boosted India's economy. So, that is the dedicated freight corridors or DFCs. So, this initiative is a prime example of how strategic decision in policy can have a profound nationwide impact. So, DFCs are revolutionizing the transportation sector by ensuring faster and more reliable goods movement, which is contributing directly to the GDP growth, and it is also reducing the transportation cost and paving the way for equitable economic development across the country. So in that context, it is considered very significant and very important. So let's move on to the next slide. So recently, there was a study which was conducted by University of New South Wales, Australia, which highlighted the immense benefits of DFCs, which has brought by DFCs. And according to the study, DFCs have not only enhanced the revenue of Indian Railways, which had been facing a decline, but they also have played a crucial role in reducing the cost of transporting, goods and goods. Okay, so this reduction in transport cost has actually led to a drop in commodity prices by around 0.5%, and which is beneficial for consumers and the broader economy. Now let's try to understand the concept of DFCs. Okay, see, let's understand the concept of DFCs, and typically, passenger trains and freight trains. If you see, they share the same tracks, right? But this can often lead to delays in freight trains as passenger trains are prioritized most of the time. Such delays actually disrupt the timely delivery of goods, but DFCs are separate. These are dedicated tracks exclusively for freight trains. So this segmentation ensures that freight transport is faster, more reliable, and free from competition, with the passenger trains. So that you are not going to give any priority to the passenger train. So this is only for freights and the goods, and which is dedicated. Now, existing DFCs, if you see, you have two major DFCs, the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, which is spanning around 1337 kilometer. That is from Ludhiana in Punjab to Sonnagar in Bihar. And the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, that is stretching from approximately 1500 kilometer from Dadri in Uttar Pradesh to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Mumbai. So both corridors are actually nearing its full completion. And with the Western corridor already 93% is operational. So these corridors are strategically significant and is facilitating the movement of coal for power plants in the east, and cement for various industries in the west also. So if you look at the benefits of DFCs, yeah, the main advantage or the advantages are numerous, and the main benefit is the ability to transport double stacked containers effectively, and which is doubling the load capacity per train actually. So this innovation optimizes supply chains and ensures that industries receive goods on time. So it also builds trust in rail transport as a reliable logistic solution, promoting a shift from road transport to rail, which is both cost effective and environmental friendly and also faster. Okay, now coming to the financial investment part. Yeah, financial investment part. So if you see, constructing DFCs requires substantial financial outlay. There is no doubt in that. The combined investment for both the eastern and western corridors is projected to reach approximately 94,000 crores, as you see, by March 31st of 2024. And this figure does not include the cost of land acquisition, which would increase the total expenditure again significantly. So despite these costs, the long-term benefits justify the investment, with dedicated freight corridors expected to increase the share of freight, traffic handled by the Indian Railways. So now, why this is necessary? Is it necessary or is it actually a choice? The necessity is what we can look at. See, guys, why this is actually needed. One primary reason was the congestion on existing railway tracks. This we have already discussed, and especially if you see those forming the Golden Quadrilateral that connects major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. So, though this network represent only 16% of India's total railway routes, it handles over 52% of passenger traffic and 58% of freight traffic. So this heavy load led to significant bottlenecks, and which is highlighting the need for dedicated tracks for freight transport. So if you look at the historical context also, the concept of DFCs was first proposed during 2005-6 railway budget under Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's government at that point of time, UPA 1. And the foundation stones for the eastern and the western corridors were laid in 2006, which was followed by formation of the dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited and DFCCIL, and a special purpose vehicle responsible for the implementation and management of DFCs. And this project has been executed in different phases, with recent sanctions inaugurated to expand the network further. Now, if you look at the current status, yeah, I'm covering so many things faster because I want to complete this lecture in 8 to 10 minutes. So today, if you see, approximately 325 freight trains operate daily on the DFC, and marking a 60% increase from the previous year. So these trains are capable of carrying heavier loads and run faster, and are also safer compared to those running on the shared track. So since its inception, the DFC network has covered over 3,232 billion gross ton kilometers, showcasing its significant capacity and the effectiveness. Now, if you look at the future prospects of DFC, so see, looking ahead, the plans for additional DFCs are underway, and with proposed routes such as Dankuni in West Bengal to Palghar in Maharashtra, and Kharagpur to Vijayawada, and Itarsi. So these are new proposed ones, and these expansions will strengthen logistics further and enhance economic growth of the country, especially in regions with lower per capita GDP. So, the University of New South Wales study confirmed that DFCs have reduced freight cost and improved economic conditions in Western regions. So, it's showing how these projects help to bridge economic disparities also. So what we can conclude, in conclusion, we can say DFCs are crucial step in ensuring a reliable and efficient freight transport system in India. And this infrastructure not only bolsters the logistics industry, but also contributes to a more equitable economic landscape. So as DFCs continue to expand, they will undoubtedly play an even greater role in supporting India's growth and development. So that's about the session. So in case if you have any questions, you can comment below. So see you in the next session. Thank you so much.